Today, I'm going to be talking about why you should not be doing Shopify dropshipping and you should be doing social media marketing and running ads for business owners. And specifically for the people that do not already have an existing cash flow, like money coming in every single month. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Elliot Drake and I'm the founder of landclients.com, and I'm also the founder of House of Influence, which is a paid media agency. And this channel is all about how to start and grow your own online business, how to do different things in marketing, and overall just serve you guys. So if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, turn on notifications so then you can see whenever I post. Make sure to check the description. I have a lot of free value and things that you guys can look in there as well. So let's jump right in, okay? So this is a really big problem that I get hit up about all the time. So people will reach out to me, and for some reason, even though my bio says that I run a paid media agency, they message me and ask if I'm doing drop shipping, and they tell me, they just ask random questions about it and saying, hey, I only have 200 bucks. I'm trying to start a drop shipping store. And I immediately tell them that that is one of the dumbest things that you can do. And so in this video, I'm going to talk to you about why that is. And the first thing, which is the most important, is cash flow, right? With Shopify dropshipping, it takes money and it takes capital to be able to start and test. And even with that capital, you are testing products that you do not know are going to win and make you money. So it's important. The reason why you should do social media marketing instead is because it takes hardly any money to start. All it takes is just a little bit of investment in your education, plus 90 bucks to set up an LLC, and takes time just to find customers. Because social media marketing, what you do is you offer services to businesses that pay you monthly between $1,000 to $10,000 per month reoccurring. So that brings cash flow. Shopify dropshipping does not bring cash flow. I'm not bashing the business model. I'm bashing it if you have no money to start. That is not a business model that you should really go down, because let me just go over these points, okay? Let me go over these couple points. So number one, like I talked about, is cash flow. You need cash flow. It's one of the most important things in business. It's money coming in every single month, reoccurring. You're constantly getting money in, right? This is number one why social media marketing is better. It's because it produces cash flow fast. You could watch this video right now, go over and find, say, a chiropractor, a real estate agent, a doctor, dentist, whatever, and get them to pay you money to run their paid advertising and pay you between 1 to 5 to 10, depending on the type of client, per month reoccurring. So that is actual cash flow. And say Shopify dropshipping is a thing that you want to do later on, that's great. Build a social media marketing agency, because it's going to do all these different things for you in regards to giving you skills and giving you that cash flow to be able to fund it, right? Like the people that are really, really successful in building an e-commerce store and stuff are the people that build an established brand. I know a guy named Dylan Jacob. He built a brand at Brewmate, spent 5 years building this amazing brand. It's his own product, and he's wildly successful because of it, right? I'm not saying you can't make a quick buck by doing, the drop shipping model with AliExpress and stuff like that, but it's so competitive and it's so hard to do it. It's almost like Russian roulette in my eyes. It's just cash flow. That's the first point. Social media marketing allows you to have consistent money coming in. And the next thing is it's ethical, right? So whenever I'm talking about Shopify dropshipping, I'm talking about the model that everyone's talking about right now, where you find winning products and then upcharge them and sell them, right? How ethical is that? Because someone could go and buy that same product for 50% less than what you're selling it to them. So there's not a lot of ethical stuff there. versus social media marketing, where you're offering a service and offering value to business owners to bring them more customers. So that's another point. It's an ethical issue, right? I'm all for building like an e-commerce brand and an established brand. That's amazing, and there's so much upside potential, but that again takes a lot of capital to be able to pump into it to be able to get that snowball effect for it to actually start working, right? Plus you have to have a proof of concept, all that different stuff. And then the next thing is skill development. Skill development, right? So with building a Shopify dropshipping store and stuff like that, yes, you build skills. You learn how to build sites, you learn how to optimize them for conversions, you learn all those different stuff, you learn how to do product research. That's all great. But with social media marketing, you learn how to communicate and talk to business owners. You learn sales. You learn how to do human interaction to get what you want. You learn all these different things. You learn how to put together, actual contracts for business owners for service delivery work. You learn how to, put together proposals. You learn how to take payments from business owners. You learn how to, communicate them on a project workflow basis. How do you report to them the results that you have? How do you keep your clients happy? These are all amazing skills that you learn with starting, a social media marketing business that you don't by starting, Shopify dropshipping or whatever, right? Obviously, starting an e-commerce store and stuff, there's a lot of benefits, but I'm really talking about for the people that are starting in entrepreneurship and they've seen ads for, hey, just, Shopify dropshipping, I made $100,000 in 1 month from doing it, right? Like all these people, what they're trying to do is get you to fall into that trap and get you to buy their program. That's really what they're trying to do, instead of having your best interest in mind and teaching a business model that is going to service you for the rest of your life, right? So the next skill that it really teaches you, like this is honestly the biggest one, is that whenever you learn how to do social media marketing, how to offer advertising services to businesses, it allows you gain a skill by learning Facebook ads, Google ads, whatever kind of service you're delivering to these business owners to bring them more customers. It's teaching you how to get more customers for a business, which services you for so much. Like it can change your life. Any business you ever start, that's going to service you, because every business needs more customers, and most of the time when a business fails, it's because they don't have enough customers. So if you learn that skill and you can do it for business owners repeatedly, you're going to get paid handsomely for that. Reoccurring goes back to the cash flow, and plus it's going to help you in any other business you ever want to start. Honestly, that's basically it for this video. This was just inspired by how many DMs and people messaged me asking me if they should start Shopify dropshipping and all this different stuff, and I don't think you should. If you don't have 10 grand in the bank that you're willing to lose, to be able to test and invest, I wouldn't do it. Even if you did, I recommend the social media marketing business model because it's just a better business model in my scenario, especially if you're just starting out and you're trying to learn the ins and outs of business. I think it's a really great program. So, if you guys are interested in learning how to start your own advertising business, social media marketing, subscribe to my channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications. I post about it. Go check out my other videos. But if you want to work with me on a one-on-one level, I'm the founder of landclients.com, which is a training business that is dedicated to helping and serving people to successfully grow their own agency. So if you wanted to work with me on a personal level, there's a link in the description where you can qualify to be inside of an exclusive program where you get one-on-one mentorship from myself and a bunch of other people that are a part of this business. So, and then if you want to learn if you want to sit through a live training, like a real long training, there's also an exclusive live training down there on how to start it. Then, go check that out as well. So this has been Elliot Drake. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is just a quick one, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next ones. Also, one last thing, make sure to comment down below other videos that you guys would like to see. I'll see you later.